Hello guys, how you doing? So guys, like here I'm coming again with a new video. Last time that I told you that I already post IVECO Daily 35 150, right? The car got have a problem with the differential, and what I found is that let's see together, and I'll show you something that how that's the toy side and the heel side that this differential gotta have. And this is the bad one that I already dismantled from the car. And this is the case, and the case already cleaned, and I'm going to install a new part. You see, I already received a new part, the satellite, and the satellite gear here, and the side bearings, and the spacer at the same time, and the satellite pinion shaft, and the crown gear right here. It's a new one. We will see it together. We'll see it together. Then I gotta have a special seat down there. And this is the bad one. And the bad one, what I've found is already it's pitted over there, as you can see. Just over there. You know, it's pitted, you know, the satellite one. And the other, the pinion, the drive pinion, and the heel side. Already, let's see that the toy, this car gotta have the high heel side contact, you know. That's why it gives me the humming sound, you know. And high heel contact is not the right one. See this one. So instead of touching in the middle of the flank, down there between the roots, and it has a contact already on the chamfer, you know, the chamfer side. As you can see that how it is going to be scrapped, you know, right there, right here, and these all parts to the side. Maybe axis is good just to see it. The ring gear, the crown gear, you see, it's already touched on the top land, you see, on the top land side, and high heel side contact. That's not really good. Instead of between the depths and between, it has a high heel contact over here. Look over there. And that's why. Let me say that the good one, the new one, already tested, you see. This is just the right one, you see. It should be like that. Not too deep, not to the heel side. Should be in between. Gotta have a good contact. So I already take everything clean, and the differential case already clean. Then I gotta have a satellite and then side gear. And I gotta have adjusting shims, different size adjusting shims at the same time. So it seems like that. I cannot show you that I am installed the new one, but we need to have an adjustment, you see, before I'm going to fix the seal. I'm going to loosen it, you see. It's quite now, you know, when you throw it. I already fixed the pinion, drive pinion. As you can see, it's a new one there. It's a new one there. just like that. And the rest, maybe that's I gotta have an appointment on Saturday that you come to fix the car. Maybe not, I don't know. So we'll see. Huh? So this is for today, and thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, give a comment. All right, as soon as I'm fix the car, and I'll show you that the third video. See you next time. Bye bye.